Sir, so now let me introduce one big warehouse of Tour-HuaKe spraywear. You can see many finished order that is now stocking at this warehouse. Many different diameters of spraywear. You can see it always marked with different color package. You can see many ready orders that to be ready to ship to our customer by truck. Yeah, this is big wire. This is small wire. We have enough stock to support our customer's big need each day. You can see different colors, marks different diameter. It is easy for our customer to identify the wire spec and wire diameter. Okay, the booth is the warehouse man working office. Okay, so if you have any special need at the spraywear or the nickel plated spraywear, you can contact Tour-HuaKe spraywear. We will be your best partner who will support your success at your spray manufacturing business. Thank you, sir.